to play YouTube with screen turned off on the Samsung A27 5G, you can for sure do this, but you will have to start by opening the Google Play Store and go for the search, and we will have to, of course, get the black screen application. And by the way, if you have the YouTube Premium, it's quite obvious that you don't need to do this because it will play automatically. But you have to download this application, you will have to just open it. Now you will have to grant all of those necessary permissions. Here, search for the black screen, click on its switcher and go back. I can also enable it for notifications, then click continue. You don't have to actually upgrade to the premium one, you can just skip this one, you don't have to pay for this. Click consent, and here you can also configure how this black screen gonna look. So you can get the full screen with the different clock style and so and so. There's a lot of things that you can actually customize. But right now, take a look. We are gonna click start over here, and we got the lock icon, right? So we are gonna open YouTube. We can play, let's say, for example, this one. I'm gonna turn off the sound, and now we are clicking on this icon. It's locked, but if I'm gonna volume up, you can hear the sound, which means that this is still playing in the background. If you want to unlock, you are clicking here, and that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you find that useful.